Good morning. Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, may order ako guys. Anin na extra large pizza. Ito siya. Para sa birthday party. Ito siya. Ito pepperoni mushroom. Ito yung special pizza. Ang hampay na apple. Ito naman at saka ito yung doner. Yung special pizza namin guys. Yan anin siya. So, isasalang ko siya guys after 5 minutes kasi pick up ng 4:30. So, ano pa lang siya, 14 pa lang. After 5 minutes, isasalang ko na siya dito sa dito. Within 7 minutes lang guys, luto na yung pizza namin. Ayan. Guys, oh. Sarap yan guys, oh. Hampay na apple. Ayan. Tapos ito yung creamy ang sauce niya, white sauce. Special pizza. Beef yung palaman niya, saka with onion. Ayan. Ito naman yung ipo special. May cheddar cheese, may beef, may bacon, and onion on the top. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.